This week, the crystal we're going to talk about is amethyst, which is a light purple stone, and it's used all over the world. It's fairly inexpensive, very easy to find, and actually one of the best tools you can use for spirituality. It is associated with the crown chakra, and that is where our spirituality kind of opening is, where we kind of absorb mysticism and where we're kind of going when we meditate and praying. And so this stone is good for all of those things. It's an overall healing stone. So we talked about last week rose quartz being the me stone, being the love stone. This amethyst is all about healing, from headaches to skin problems to other things. It really is a healing stone, so it's a really good one to have in your life. It also helps with overindulgence. So I actually always keep one in my pantry, in my food area, or in your refrigerator, just to help you from not overindulging in something like that. Wherever you overindulge in life, if it's video games or television or whatever, just keep some amethyst in that area, or always keep it with you. It's actually my favorite stone, and I almost always have a piece that I'm wearing in jewelry, or I have it on my person. I almost always have it on my altar. There's something about it. I just love it. It makes me, I'm drawn to it. I didn't need this piece at the rock shop, but I just thought, oh, I just love it so much. And again, remember, size doesn't matter, so both these will do the same thing. It is a quartz, just like the clear quartz and the rose quartz, so it's all in the quartz family. And you want to make sure it's that light purple. It varies, it can be light or dark. If it's like a artificial purple or really dark purple where you can't really see much through it, then you would know it was dyed or was false. It helps with your psychic abilities. It helps with any kind of positive transformation, spiritual awareness, meditation. So this time right now where people are really turning to the tools of mindfulness, and maybe they're not working the same like they used to. You know, if you're going to your meditation mat and your yoga mat and you're doing the things, but you're not feeling what you used to feel, you might want to invite this stone into your life. Keep it with you. I put it sometimes on my yoga mat. Just have it with you and help you kind of amplify that. It's a great stone to meditate with. It's a great one to have a mala made out of, or just to hold in a hand while you're meditating or while you're praying. It is healing, like I said, over everything, mind, body, and soul. And it's been known to be a stress reliever, as is rose quartz. So it's something, the two of them, you can combine them to kind of help you feel better in that way. It has also been called the inner peace stone. So, I mean, you can't get better than that, I feel. And what's so great about amethyst is it's so easy to find and so cheap. And so it's very attainable for everybody to have an amethyst in their life and to use it. And you don't need a whole bunch of it like I do. I just happen to collect it. I hope that helps you know a little bit more about this beautiful purple stone. If you have questions or you have a request of the one you'd like me to cover next, please let me know. And I'm sending you love and light.